find Aisha, cause she's probably sucking dick. Bitch, pick up your goddamn phone, you're gonna make me sick.
Hey, bitch, where you at?
I don't know where the fuck I'm at.
Can you hear me? Am I breaking up?
I can't hear it. Are you breaking up?
Get over here, let's party.
I just wanna party.
Grab my purse, get a ride, and I'll meet you outside.
I have these like bee dice. They look like little honeycombs.
Oh, wait, what's your favorite one, do you think, out of the entire set?
My
Where did you come from? You got one for FNAF jump scare. No, not you. Brad, like...
Okay, Quackity, what's up? I'm just gonna give you these, I guess, in a few different inflections and tones, and just tell me what you like. I just keep wondering why they're putting us in different trains. It doesn't make any goddamn sense. ¿Cómo se dice what the fuck is going on en español? ¿Dónde está? ¡Ah, me voy a...
Can I help the next guest, please? Hello, sir. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Yeah, can you get my fucking
Sir, we don't sell burgers here. we sell paninis and breakfast sandwiches. No, we don't have burger extra cheese. We have panini with tomato mustard. No, sir, I'm gonna have No, sir,
What in the hell did I walk into?
you want coffee, tea?
I'm crying!
What happened? Hold on. Hold on.
Can I get you a caramel macchiato?
Yeah, I have a burger extra dip.
We don't have
Oh
one.
my god, the voice changer, really?
I'm crying, oh my god.
Sir, this is a Starbucks, not a McDonald's.
Please don't tell my wife if I don't give them
Sir, you're at the wrong store. You want a McDonald's, not the Starbucks.
Why are you buying those at the strip store?
Hello?
God.
Okay,
We sell
now
coffee
the...
and confectionery
Jeez.
here. Jesus Christ. Boss, I need to get the manager. Sir, do you want to speak to the manager?
He's ordering from the ether.
He's ordering a burger. No.
I missed you. I missed you too. Once I'm done reloading, I'm not gonna miss you again.
Do it, you fucking bitch. I swear to God, I will fucking kill you with that piece of shit. Hey, move, you fucking nut, you fucking pansy.
Do you blame yourself? What? Well, it's quite common in this situation for a patient to feel a kind of guilt. What situation? The accident.
This. Do you know what this is?
Got a gun, my daddy's got a gun, my daddy's got a gun. You better run, my daddy's got a gun, my daddy's got a gun, my daddy's got a
and she's not back.
どうにかしたいの
Go my own way. What about us? What about everything we've been through? What about trust? Oh,
I never wanted to hurt you.
I know a lady, good and evil, showed me that I was a gentleman. Wait for the girl to blossom into colors that grow where you can. I'm just kidding. Anywhere else I'd be a 10.
I'm just Pete and I like drugs. I'm mentally ill and I'm on drugs.
I think she did it. I think that's everything. Hey, well, thank you so much, man. I was really worried that you were gonna be like weird about it or think that I was like crazy or something, and so
we're all sad that we don't have our eggs, but we're happy you got yours back.
I'm really happy you guys.
Yeah,
you
and
guys
also
understand.
like if you start feeling weird or anything, because you should come and talk to us, and we should try and help you. You know?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Maybe infected by an egg or something.
Infected by
a
code.
By code, I meant.
You meant like if my mainframe is compromised, dude.
Yeah, like have us like if you have
if I get my fucking mainframe hacked up. Dude, listen to yourself, man. Yeah, if they fucking get in my motherboard, dude. Yeah, okay, whatever. Whatever, dude. Fucking yeah. All right. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, good one.
But you know, if you start feeling weird, you know, like you can count on us. Don't feel afraid to.
Okay.
I want you to make sure you can trust us.
Yeah, I trust you guys, and you guys.
Yeah, we are friends.
No, we are, and you guys. I mean, you trust me and Flipa, right?
Yeah. Obviously.
I just met Flipa, but I do trust you. So.
Oh yeah, you are a fake fan.
No, yeah, I met her today, but I like her.
Well, she's my daughter, so whatever she's up to, I see it. Don't worry, she's one of the best.
Just as I was about to take my shoes off on the rooftop, there I see a girl with braided hair here before me. This by myself, I go and scream, hey, don't do it, please. Did I just say I couldn't care less either way? To be honest, I was somewhat pissed. This was an opportunity missed. The girl with braided hair told me her woes. You've probably heard it all before. I really thought that he might be the one, but then he told me he was done. For God's sake, please, are you serious? I just can't believe that for some stupid reason you got here before me. Are you upset cause you can't have what you want? You're lucky that you've never got it wrong of anything. I'm feeling gotta thank you for listening. The girl with braided hair then disappeared.
I'll be like an egg. I'll be like nothing ever went wrong. Yeah, I love that idea.
Today's a day or so I thought. Just as I took both of my shoes off, there was but a girl short as can be. This by myself I go and scream. The petite girl told me her woes. You've probably heard it all before. Everyone ignores me, everyone steals. I don't fit in with anyone here. For God's sake, please, are you serious? I just can't believe that for some stupid reason you got here before me. 'Cause even so, you're still loved by everyone at home. There's always dinner waiting on the table, you know. I know you said the girl that she shed her tear. The girl short asking me then disappeared. And like that, there was someone every day. I listened to the tale, I made them turn away. And yet there was no one who could do this for me. No way I could let out all this first time ever see someone with the same things as me, having done this time and time again. She wore a yellow cardigan. I just wanna stop the scars that grow every time that I go home. That's why I came up here instead. That's what the girl in the cardigan said. Well, wait a minute, what did I just say? I couldn't care less either way, but in the moment I just screamed something that I could not believe. Hey, don't do it, please. Oh, what to do? I can't stop this goal. This is new for once. I think I've been not more than I can chew. But even so, please just go away so I can see your pitiful expression. It's just too much for me. I guess today is just not my day. She turned away from me and then she disappeared. Knowing you today, I guess it's time. It's just me, myself, and I. There is no one who can interfere. No one to get in my way here. Taking off my yellow cardigan, watching my braids all come undone. This petite girl, short as can be, is gonna jump now and be free.
Sounds like.
No. Get away from me. Get away from me, man. I don't want to see your skincare routine.
That's not me. That's not me. No, he's out there somewhere else. I'm a different guy. I'm Monkey Man.
What? You're Monkey Man. What?
Liminal blast. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Charlie, how come Rambo and mine mics is fine and yours is just fucking the schlap mic? Scream.
Yeah, let me know.
Yeah, let me know.